guys, welcome to Shima Mugs. It's me Lakshmi.
And I'm Tanmaya.
Today we are going to show you how to make an igloo model like this. Do you know what this is?
It's a snow house.
Yeah, that's right. An igloo is also known as a snow house as it is built using snow blocks. But how did you know it was a snow house?
I can see a snowman here.
Oh. Okay, let's start making this model. The first thing you'll need is a plastic basket like this. You can see that it's dome shaped and you'll get it from any store which sells plastic items. So let me remove these unwanted things from here. Okay, it's ready. Next we have to cut a small part from the bottom for the entrance. Okay, I removed it. Next you'll have to place a cardboard piece here. Now I have to wrap this dome with white clay. Next I have to draw small grey lines so that it will look like snow blocks. Okay, now the igloo is ready. So now let me place it over a thermocol sheet. Okay, so now let me place some trees, Eskimos, penguins and snowman. Okay, so let me place it here.
How is it?
It's very easy, right? I hope this is one of the easiest way of making an igloo model. Please do comment and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video.
Subscribe to our channel.
And click the bell notification button. We'll come back with another interesting video soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.